Hi everyone, it's been a while since I posted and I realized today that I never made the wreath that I had planned to make since February or January. So today I got to work. I chose the wording and how the font and how I want it to look like. The placement and how it looks. I brought in an an ornament element that's like arabesque and placed it where it should look. Here I'm just trying to add like a hole on top of the ornament so I'll be able to hang it, because in my head I wanted to hang it with a thread, but you'll see later that didn't work out well for me. And that's how the design looks in the end. And I went ahead and I cut it twice. I cut it with the glitter cardstock and I cut it in white cardstock because I wanted to stack both cardstocks together, so it will be a little bit strong and it won't be like flimsy. And this here, you see me stack them and I glued them. I used a brush, and that brush I got it from Hobby Lobby. It's not the best choice. It's like a crafter's cheap brush that I didn't like, but it's a one-time use, so it did the job. And here I'll show you the type of glue I used. I love this glue. You could use Elmer's glue, but I love this one because it doesn't soak through the paper, and like sometimes with the Elmer's glue the paper bubbles. This one doesn't, and I just love it with everything that has to do with cards and card making. And I apologize for the shaky camera. My daughter is my cameraman. She's using my phone because I've lost my camera stand, and my ring light in our move. And this is the final result. And I tried to put the garland around the ring and I didn't like how it looked, so I decided to take it piece by piece and hot glue it to the circle. I don't know if that's the best way to do it, but this is my final look. I didn't use all the garland and I didn't use all the branches that I had. I just went with simple and quick, frankly, because my back hurt and I just wanted to finish this, and this is it. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any tips on how to use the garland, please write them in the comments, subscribe to my channel, and like the video if you liked it. And thank you for watching.